Hey, Dr. Gambiak here in Brushbury, Washington. Husband, dad, elevator. I can show you how to master your foundations. You can elevate your peak to whatever you want to be. Okay, let's have a heart-to-heart. I hear every single day, well, my dad had a bad back, he had to have surgery, so I probably will too. Nonsense. Complete nonsense. Guys, we've known for 10, 15, 20 years now, even if they don't talk about it, the research is very clear. Genetics is here. How we live is this. This determines whether or not this gets turned on or off. Now, was able to really drive this home with a lady came in the other day, she's in her early 50s, came in for the first time. And she can't move her neck, can't play golf with her husband anymore. It's just a big deal to her. And she's terrified because she's going to end up like her mom. And she takes care of her mom at her house. Her mom's 80, confined to a walker, needs help with pretty much every basic daily activity that she does, needs help. And this lady does not want to end up like that. I said, okay, so what do you want to do? She's like, I explained this versus this, I want to turn it off. And as we were talking, she had a little epiphany. She's like, you know what? My mom is one of her best friends, 75. They're only 5 years apart, but her friend's still doing everything she wants to do, hiking, golfing, whatever. She's out there doing all these things. And I said, see, her friend made different choices. She turned those genes off. And that's what we can do. See, you can no longer blame it on your mom or your dad, your grandpa, your fourth uncle. It's up to you. I can show you how to master a few simple principles that will make anything else you do work even better, whether it's golf, lifting weights, Pilates, swimming, hiking, whatever. Even just picking up your grandkids when you're 85. So guys, if you like to play golf, you should be able to play golf until God calls you home. That's all there is to it. Anybody who's telling you anything different is they're just making excuses because they don't know how to fix it. I know how to fix it. The first step to mastering your foundations below in the description. Simple thing you can start doing less than 2 minutes a day, and it'll change the momentum of your spine and your life for good. Oh, by the way, this lady, when she came in a few weeks later, she's doing great now, playing golf, doing all these things again, and just like a light has gone on her. And she's like, you know, I cannot believe how good those simple things you gave me to do work. And she said, I can't see why I wouldn't be doing them for the rest of my life. I was like, yes, that's how we turn this off and we live like this. All right, guys, go make it a great day. Master your foundation, elevate your peak. We'll see you next time.